Hey, I'm Dave.
And I'm Parker. And we hate bins. Hey Dave, what is a PullKitchen?
You know, give me 10 seconds and I'll show you.
A PullKitchen gives you pantry storage, kitchen storage, sink, 2-burner stove, running water, cutting board, power with lights, all in a fully integrated, removable system.
So look, camping is supposed to be fun. So we wanted to design something that was quick and easy to bring back that fun so you spend more time with your family and the outdoors. With the PullKitchen, you get countertop space and storage. Under this flat space, we have running water and a 2-burner stove. Now, I can't count how many times I went camping and the salt or the extra spoon was in the bottom bin. To use your water, first turn on the pump switch, and then it's just like a normal faucet at home.
Let me show you our custom propane hookup. You open this flap, which exposes the hookup nozzle, and you screw in the tank. Why did we do all this? We learned the hard way. The cutting board is removable for easy cleanup. You might ask, why have a water pump switch? We designed it to eliminate the risk of turning on while you're driving. The Rotopax water tank with custom cap and quick disconnect make refills snappy.
The 2-burner stove can accommodate 8 and 9-inch pans so that you can cook like you do at home.
The PullKitchen is easily removable from the vehicle with a simple wrench, 1 bolt, and pulling the big orange pin. It comes out in less than 3 minutes.
Each PullKitchen comes with a rugged and rechargeable power source. This illuminates the sink, the cooktop, the cutting board, pantry storage, kitchen storage, and a ground light to help you navigate the terrain around your kitchen when it's dark.
So Parker, what is a PullKitchen?
Well, Dave, it's about being outside, enjoying nature, not digging through bins. It's more than just a kitchen. It's a PullKitchen. Hey, Dave, what are those? Aren't those bins?
Yeah, I'm not happy about it.
I hate bins.
I hate bins!